Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we welcome to our online class Ekkalaiva. Hi my dear children, how are you? All are fine? Very good. Children, do you enjoy going to school? What do you enjoy most in school? What are your favorite subjects and activities in school? And what are the ways are there to test your knowledge? Yes, there are many ways to test your knowledge, and one way is by conducting exam. Okay. Today we are going to learn the lesson and the lesson is related to your exam. Okay. The name of the lesson is the English exam. Shall we move to the lesson, children? The English exam. Class 4 English Prose. Before going to the lesson, I'll tell you the gist of the lesson. Okay. Listen to me, children. Raghu's favorite subject was English. He was very excited on the day of his exam. He waited patiently for the exam to begin. While the teacher distributed the question papers, Raghu wondered whether the paper would include questions from his favorite lessons. When Raghu received the paper, he was shocked. He told his teacher that something was wrong with the paper. It was a maths paper. The teacher said that Raghu must have mixed up the dates of the exam. On the day the exam was to be maths, not English. She reassured Raghu that he must know most of the answers and therefore he should try to attempt the paper. Raghu was so upset that he was in tears. He could not think clearly anymore. He kept wondering how well would he do in maths when he had prepared for the English exam. Raghu's mother noticed that he was kicking in the bed and speaking to himself. She woke him up and told him that he must have having a bad dream. When Ravi asked his mother where he was, she replied that he was in his bed. Raghu's mother asked him to tell her all about his bad dream. He told her how in his dream he had gone to school to appear for his English exam and found that he was to appear for maths on that day. His mother gladly reminded him that his exams were over and it was the first day of his vacations. Okay, children, we'll move to the lesson now. Listen, children. Raghu was very excited. He had his English exam that day. It was his favorite subject. Children, listen to me. Raghu was very excited. What do you mean by excited? Very enthusiastic, eager. He was very eager to see the question paper. He had his English exam that day. It was his favorite subject. What was the favorite subject of Raghu? Raghu's favorite subject is English. Yes. What he is telling? English is my favorite subject. I hope I do well in my exam today. And what do you mean by favorite, children? Favorite is nothing but preferred, which you like most. Okay, which you will give first preference. Okay. Soon it was time for the exam to begin. The teacher started distributing the question papers. Raghu waited impatiently. Children, what do you mean by distributing? Distribute is nothing but dividing. To divide and to share. Okay, and sharing the papers to everyone. Okay. That is called distributing. That is dividing and sharing the question papers. No, so that is distributing. And what do you mean by impatiently? Not patient. Okay. He was not in a patient. He don't have that much patience to listen or sit straight. You want to see the question paper. Whether the questions what he read has come, he should check the question paper now. So he was eagerly waiting for seeing the question paper. I'm so eager to write the exam. I wonder if questions on my favorite lessons will be included. Okay. Start. Can you see the word started? What is the opposite word for started? Started is, opposite is ended. And begin, end. Okay. Opposite of question is answer. Good. And waited. The past tense of wait is waited. Good. Shall we move to the next? When Raghu got the question paper, he was shocked. He couldn't believe his eyes. Why he could not believe his eyes? Because he thought it was the English exam that day and he prepared English very well. No, his favorite subject also English, but he saw Max question paper. On seeing Max question paper, he was very much shocked. Who was shocked? Raghu was shocked. He could not believe his eyes. And he is seeing the question, he is reading the question. What question he is reading? There are 4 spoons and 6 plates on each table. How many? What is this? This is not the English paper. On seeing the paper, on seeing the reading the question, he is understanding, realizing that this is not English paper. Why they are asking how many spoons, how many plates are there? It is like a Max question paper, he is thinking. And he is asking ma'am, ma'am, there is something wrong. See, can you see the contraction here? Ma'am, madam. Short form of madam is ma'am. So they shortened the word. Okay, madam, they shortened the word and used apostrophe. So this is a contraction. Ma'am, there is something wrong! Exclamation mark. Because he was wondering on seeing the Max paper. The whole class looked at Raghu. They couldn't understand what was wrong. What's the matter, Raghu? Are you all right? The teacher is asking Raghu, what's the matter? Are you all right? And the whole class were seeing Raghu. Why he is asking a different question? They were thinking. Okay. And now Raghu is replying, there's been a mistake, ma'am. This is a Max paper. What Raghu is telling now? There's been a mistake. There has been. Here also you can see a contraction. No. Okay. There's. So by using apostrophe, they shorten the words. So this is a contraction. Okay. There's been a mistake, ma'am. This is a Max paper. Today it should be Max exam. English exam. Why are you giving Max paper to me? Raghu is asking his teacher. And the teacher spoke kindly to Raghu. Children, what is the present tense of spoke? Speak. The past tense of speak is spoke. Very good. And what is the opposite of kind? Cruel. Good. And which is noun here? The teacher is noun and Raghu is noun. Raghu is proper noun and teacher is common noun. Good. Everyone was surprised at Raghu's words. Why they were surprised? Because that day was Max exam only, but Raghu thought it was English exam and he prepared English and he was wondering. So everyone surprised at Raghu's words. Of course, it's Max. Today is the Max exam. Who's telling these words? Teacher is telling to Raghu. And what Raghu was telling? No, it can't be. Today is the English exam. Raghu is not accepting. He is telling that no, it can't be. How it will be an English exam? How it will be a Max exam, teacher? Today it is an English exam. Okay, he is not accepting. And the teacher is telling now, I think you must have mixed up the dates. Did you check the date sheet? She's asking, you would have seen the time. Have you seen the timetable? You would have mixed up the dates, I think. The teacher is asking. Now the Raghu is replying that, yes ma'am, I had checked it this morning. Today we were supposed to have our English exam. And what Raghu is replying to teacher? Is telling that, yes ma'am, I saw the timetable. Today it was English exam only ma'am. It was supposed to be English exam ma'am. Like that Raghu is replying. Okay. And date sheet. This is noun or verb? Noun. Check. Check is a verb. And what is the past tense of think? Thought. Okay. And what is the present tense of mixed? Mix. Okay, good. And dates. This is noun. Okay. Max is a noun. Good. Of course. Certainly. Surely. Okay. What do you mean by of course? Surely or certainly. Good. Shall we move to the next? Raghu was in tears. He didn't know what to do. See, here also you can see the contraction. Did not. The short form of did not is didn't. Okay. They used apostrophe, no? If you shorten the word, you should use apostrophe. Okay. Then it is a contraction. Here didn't is a contraction. He did not know what to do. He just stared at the paper. What do you mean by stared? Gazed, looking steadily. Okay. He was staring at the paper because he prepared only English, no? So he was in tears. Raghu was in tears. He don't know what to do. Okay. Raghu, don't be so upset. Read the questions. I'm sure you will be able to answer most of them. And the teacher is going on encouraging him to write the answer. Raghu, don't be so upset. You should not be upset. Read the question. You can able to answer. I'm sure you will answer most of the questions. The teacher is telling to Raghu. Okay. And here I apostrophe M is there. No, this is also a contraction. And here don't, do not. So using apostrophe they shorten. This is a contraction. Good. And but I had prepared for English today. The Raghu is telling to the teacher that, but I had prepared English. How can I answer maths question paper? How can I give answer for maths questions, ma'am? He is asking. Well, the English exam is tomorrow. The teacher is telling that tomorrow is your English exam. Today is maths exam. Raghu was totally confused and couldn't think clearly. He was so much confused and he could not think clearly. See, again you can see a contraction. Couldn't. Okay. Yes. He couldn't think clearly. Okay. Because he was confused. Because we saw today the timetable and it was an English exam. But ma'am is giving maths question paper and she's telling that tomorrow is your English. So he was so much confused. What if I do badly in maths? It was supposed to be the English exam today. He's thinking. Okay. It was supposed to be English today. He's going on thinking. Okay. When he was sleeping also he was thinking about this. Raghu kept on speaking to himself. It was supposed to be English today. I know it was supposed to be English today. He's going on speaking to himself. Okay. He kept on speaking to himself. It was supposed to be English today. It was supposed to be English today. I know. Like that he is muttering. Okay. Raghu's mother noticed him kicking around in his bed, muttering something. And Raghu's mother heard his voice and she's coming and saying, okay, what is doing? Raghu is kicking around in his bed and muttering something. Muttering is nothing but murmuring. Okay. Saying something in a low voice so that others can't hear what he's saying. Murmuring, whispering, okay, in a low voice. No one can hear what he is saying. Okay, that is called muttering. Raghu, wake up. You must be having a bad dream. Wake up. Now what mother is doing? She is waking. Okay, she is waking Raghu. Please, Raghu, you wake up. You must have a bad dream. Wake up, Raghu. Wake up. Mother is waking him up. Oh, mummy, where am I? He is asking, where am I, mummy? In your bed? Of course. The mother is replying, in your bed? Of course. Raghu looked around. He was indeed in his bed at home. Now he looked around and he was, of course. What do you mean by indeed? Of course. He was indeed in his bed at home. It must have been a dream. Oh, mummy, I had such a bad dream. Now what Raghu is telling? It must have been a dream. Oh, mummy, I had such a bad dream. And the mother is telling that, calm down and tell me all about it. You tell me about your dream? Mother is asking Raghu. Raghu told his mother about his dream. Mummy, I dreamt that I went to the school to appear for my English exam. I found that we had the maths exam that day. I was in such a panic. What do you mean by panic, children? Sudden fear. What do you mean by panic? Sudden fear. Okay, what is telling? Mummy, I dreamt. Dreamt is nothing but the past tense of dream is dreamt. Okay, I dreamt that I went to the school to appear for my English exam. But I found that we had the maths exam that day. I was in such a panic. Okay, found. What is the opposite of found? Lost. What is the opposite of appear? Disappear. Okay. And what is the meaning of panic? Sudden fear. Good. Oh, you poor boy. Have you forgotten your exams are over? Today is your first holiday. Relax and enjoy your holidays. And now, what mother is telling? Oh, you poor boy, you have forgotten all your exams are over. Today is your first holiday. Relax and enjoy your holidays. He forgot that exams all over and he is enjoying the holiday. Today is the first holiday. So now only he was realizing that he is in holiday. He is enjoying the holiday. Children, you understood this lesson? What do you think, children? Whether if you are in the situation or what you will do? You feel the same, no? Yes. You understood the story, I think? No? Thank you, children.